Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do an action pose, a person tossing an object. So it's the sort of a pose where the person is like swinging and tossing the object, and there's an foreshortening and the object is like flying like toward us. So we will have like certain like perspective points going one, but there'll be different ones. So there'll be perspective points for the object itself. So let's say the object is lodged here, and we'll have perspective points going from there, so sort of like that. So it's tossing maybe like those ninja stars or arrows, or even if like it's just one long shaft or an arrow, which will have a different point. It won't like go all around. Let's just come like this and enlarge somewhere here. So we'll draw the person, and we need to have the torso sort of like that, so bent at that outward angle. Shoulders, delts right here. The chest will be somewhere here, and we'll place the head. For now, I think the head will probably be here for this kind of pose. And let's get to put some details on this. So what we're going to do is, let's actually flesh out lats, collar area, pecs. There's the torso, and there's the bottom of the torso. So delt, and then if you check out other videos that we have and that show foreshortening of the arm, different like body parts, like the legs, the torso, and then we have different actions going. We have a lot of perspective, a lot of foreshortening going there. So we'll do the circles here, 1, 2, 3, and then one huge oval like that. So that's the hand, forearm, middle arm, and the delt. And if you were just to put these together, it would probably come out something like that for the hand. So let's do the thumb there. The butt of the hand is here, and we will have the fingers go like that. So it could be like it's tossing some sort of energy if it's a superhero character, but if it's a fighting character, might as well be tossing. So we can have a now we cannot contain all of that in one field, but we will do our best. So going backward, we have this huge arrowhead flying out of the hands, or we could have smaller arrowheads, spikes, or in flying in that direction. And the bottom is, although the bottom of the torso is not here, we could have one leg going like this and one leg going back, or we could just have the figure standing just like that. So, and that arm could be either used there. So foreshortening again, that's the bicep area, the forearm, and we could go like that, or make that into a fist, or even tuck that further back so the elbow is here somewhere, and just the forearm, bit of the wrist area, let's say. It's more like just shows, just to make it more dynamic. And the head, of course, placed essentially along those lines, and eyes, nose, mouth, depending on what he's doing. So there's the ribbon tossing action. Please do try it out, and I'm pretty sure you can have a lot of fun with this. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.